Right now, we're dealing with a very horrible sentiment about Haitians, right? On the biggest stage in the world. You know, this man disparaged us and spread horrific lies. And so the impact that I hope that a show like this will have is that it opens up your mind. It you know, makes you understand a little bit about what happens there, that we are complex individuals. We're capitalists. We're grappling with all kinds of issues, and you know, again, I think the greatest impact is it is out there to vote. And I'm looking at you with a shirt. We're nonpartisan, however, you know, go out there, register, vote. Early voting starts in New York very soon, and so I really do hope that as many people as possible can see this play. I'm sad that it's ending December 1st. I wish it could continue. I think it's a very important piece of art that everyone needs to see. It has a political message, it has a cultural message. Anyone else?
I'm not sure about what impact the show will have.
I mean, it's an absolutely wonderful show. The impact, I think, Michel Rolfe-Trouillot, wonderful scholar, anthropologist, social cultural theorist, talked about Haiti being this space that is, you know, that's unexceptional, right? That all the issues and problems that you find elsewhere in the world, that Haiti is not this sort of particular sort of special place, that you will find all these problems and complexities of the world. And so what I saw tonight is illustrated that, demonstrated that we can find other, you know, study in other parts of the globe, you'll be able to think about all these really important issues and problems of, whether it be of education, of access to resources, labor issues, so Haiti's not an exception, right? And so I think in many ways this play, I think it's important for us to recognize that, and but also to sort of to see this country for all its problems and beauty, that you know, that we can really just look at it and study it and just look deeper at the surface. So
Thank you for that.